Hi, my name is Jessica, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a hemp necklace.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you some tips for working with thick hemp when you're making a hemp necklace. One of the things to remember is that the stitches are going to be a lot bigger, so you don't need as much hemp. You don't need to be working with, feet and feet of hemp for your necklace because it's not going to take that much. Another thing to remember is that it's harder to pull it tight. So you want to make sure that you're grabbing each individual string and really pulling it so you're getting any sort of space out of the stitches. In order to tell which side you're starting on, you're going to do the same thing we did for the other ones. You're going to look at the side of the knot that's pointing towards you. That side's flat, that side's pointing towards you, so that's going to be the front. Usually not as much of an issue, though, with the thick necklaces because you can usually finish them in about 45 minutes.